What up? Hi Woody. What's going on, bud? Hey everybody. I'm going to be playing In the Aeroplane Over the Sea by Neutral Milk Hotel. It's a really fun and scrappy song if you've never heard it before. It's really lo-fi and they kind of play like fast and loose with pitch and that kind of stuff, which is great for me because I'm not using autotune. So you're very much going to be able to tell. It's a really high-pitched song and it's really hard and I'm not going to nail it. So, I don't know. If it sucks, fuck it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4.
What a beautiful face I have found in this place that is circling all around the sun. What a beautiful dream, like a flash on the screen in the blink of an eye. It's gone from me. Can't believe how strange it is to be anything at all. And one day we will die and our ashes will fly from the aeroplane over the sea. But for now we are young, let us lay in the sun and count every beautiful thing that we see. Love to be in the arms of all I'm keeping here with me. What a curious life I have found here tonight. There is music that sounds from the streets. There are lights in the clouds and a ghost all around. See her voice, it's rolling and ringing through me. Soft and sweet, how the notes all bend and reach above the trees. What a beautiful face I have found in this place that is circling all around the sun.
Alright, I definitely fucked up those lyrics, but I don't know. Whatever. Thanks for tuning in.